Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand your sensitivity settings. Start by lowering your camera sensitivity to around 40 to 50% if you're using a controller. This gives you way more control over your steering inputs and helps you nail those tight corners without overshooting. Step 2. Practice racing lines in single-player mode. Before jumping into multiplayer, spend time learning the optimal racing line for each track. This means hitting the apex of every turn and understanding where to brake and accelerate, which is essential for consistent aim and control. Step 3. Upgrade your vehicle's handling attributes. Focus on improving suspension, grip, and braking upgrades since these directly impact how responsive your car feels. Better handling means better aim when you're navigating through traffic and competitors during races. Step 4. Use assisted steering features strategically. Toggle on line assist and braking assist if you're struggling, then gradually turn them off as your skills improve. This training method helps you build muscle memory without overwhelming yourself too quickly. Step 5. Play career mode races to build consistency. Running through career races forces you to improve your aim against the AI, and you'll earn credits to upgrade vehicles while developing better reflexes and racing instincts that translate directly into multiplayer success.